Top boy band EXO celebrated the first ever launching of Nature Republic's Around the Nature with thousands of Indonesian EXO-Ls in Jakarta on May 26, 2019. Ahead of their fan meeting, the EXO members attended a press conference.
Please give a big round of applause for EXO!
EXO as Nature Republic's brand ambassador since 2013 introduced Around the Nature, a new skincare line.
선물 Around the Nature 여러분들 환영해주세요. Around the Nature 많이 사랑해주세요. 안녕. 감사합니다.
It was revealed that Indonesia was chosen for the first launching event of the new products, limited only to Indonesian market for the first half of 2019. EXO, Suho, Chen, and Kai went out to meet their excited fans at the fan signing event, where some even queued from 10 in the morning.
하나, 둘, 셋, 야! 안녕하세요, 엑소입니다.
Halo semuanya, kami EXO katanya.
Top spenders and lucky fans received EXO signatures on their booklets, while thousands of other fans remain on the venue for the small interactions with the boys.
I love you, Indonesia! Thank you for coming! Yeah. We'll come back with new concert and new album. Please wait for us. Okay? Thank you. Many our members, Dio, Chanyeol, Sehun, Beckham, Shun, Lei, Mo. We miss you so much. Yeah. I love you, Indonesia.
Oke, fan signingnya sudah selesai. EXO-nya boleh kesini lagi.
팬사인회 끝나고 수고하셨습니다.
Ini baru 3 loh, gimana kalau semuanya lo ada di sini loh?
정말 오랜만이지만 여러분들께서 이렇게 기다려 주셨던 것만큼 저희도 오늘 여러분께 좋은 에너지와 또 여러분들의 기다리는 마음 잘 받아가는 것 같습니다.
Sudah lama sekali tidak kesini, tapi Anda semua menyambut kami dengan luar biasa. Jadi rasanya senang sekali dan terima kasih banyak. Ya, berikan cinta yang luar biasa kepada EXO dan juga Nature Republic ya.
네, 지금까지 엑소였습니다.
Thank you. Tepuk tangan sekali lagi untuk EXO yang datang jauh-jauh dari Korea. Dengan ini saya sudah akan journey to Nature Republic. Yes, EXO in Indonesia.